Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorial number 58. Today we show you two super secret Gmail address tricks using periods and pluses. Did you know that Gmail addresses can be modified and still work? These two changes will let you hack your address and still make it usable, more usable even. The first way is to add periods to any part of the email address. For example, these emails are all the same as far as Gmail is concerned. Now, using periods can help you make the email easier to remember or understand. D. Rivera versus Drivera, for example. The second hack for you Gmail nerds is this. You can add a plus and then anything to your email, and it will still come to you. Gmail ignores the text following a plus sign, so the following emails all go to the same location. Now, why would you want to do this? Because you can use filters or search to find emails sent to specific subaddresses. So you could use subaddresses for certain topics, such as help, or EdTPA, or something like that, or you can even use it for certain vendors like Netflix and Facebook. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, because if you do a search for something like this, IRC plus Netflix, then it only returns the emails that were sent to that particular subaddress. Filters work in a similar way, so you can have email processed automatically based on the subaddress that it goes to. Also, if you start getting emails going to IRC plus Facebook and they have nothing to do with Facebook, well then you know who sold your emails out. Speaking of avoiding spam, it's time for a bonus tip. Have you ever needed to register for something and you have to provide a valid email address and they email you a confirmation link? Don't want to give them your real email address? Head over to 10minuteemail.com. Each time you visit, it generates a real working email address that lives for 10 minutes. You can reset the countdown if you need more time using this icon, and you can receive email and reply to email. You cannot create your own email from scratch. So now you can really feel like a secret agent with an email address that will self-destruct in 10 minutes. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.